Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto E13 and let me show you how to activate Emoji Suggestion here. So at first enroll the list of all apps, then find and select Settings. Here you will notice System and then Language Set Input. So smoothly click on it. Now go to On-Screen Keyboard, select Gboard and go to Emoji Stickers and GIFs. And unless those switchers are active, you can smoothly activate emoji by using this switcher. You can also activate stickers if you wish, and emoji stickers. So this is a place where you can manage it. You can switch it on and off smoothly by using the toggle. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.